Have you ever dreamed of adding extra space and value to your home without breaking the bank? Picture this. A versatile, functional shed that serves as a storage room, workshop, hobby area, or even a cozy guest house. The good news is, you don't need to hire a professional builder or splurge on a pre-made kit to make this dream a reality. With the right guidance, you can build it yourself using simple tools and materials. Enter My Shed Plans, your ultimate solution to crafting the perfect shed from scratch. What is My Shed Plans and how does it work? My Shed Plans is a comprehensive digital program offering over 12,000 detailed shed plans and woodworking projects. Created by Ryan Henderson, a seasoned woodworker and shed builder with over 20 years of experience, this program is designed to cater to everyone, regardless of skill level or budget. Ryan has meticulously compiled his expertise into an easy-to-follow guide that empowers you to build your dream shed effortlessly. Upon signing up, you gain instant access to the entire collection of plans, which can be downloaded and accessed anytime, anywhere. The program is structured into 4 main sections. The main guide. This 44-page PDF introduces you to the program, offering general tips and advice on shed building. It includes a curated list of the most popular shed plans and projects, complete with links to their detailed instructions and diagrams. The Shed Plans. The heart of the program. This section features over 12,000 shed plans and woodworking projects. Each plan comes with a complete set of blueprints, a materials list, a cutting list, a tools list, and step-by-step instructions with photos and illustrations. You can browse through the plans by category, size, style, or difficulty level to find the one that perfectly suits your needs. The 3D Shed Drawings. This bonus feature lets you view shed plans in 3D, offering different angles and perspectives. You can zoom in, rotate, and pan the 3D models to see exactly how your shed will look in real life. This visualization helps you make adjustments or modifications before starting the construction. The Woodworking Course. Another bonus feature. This comprehensive course teaches you everything about woodworking, from basics to advanced techniques. It includes over 200 videos, 500 guides, and 10. There are AEW diagrams covering topics such as wood selection, cutting, joining, finishing, and safety. Suitable for both beginners and experts, this course will enhance your skills and confidence as a woodworker. Benefits and features of My Shed Plans. Saves time and money. Using My Shed Plans eliminates the need to spend hours searching for shed plans online or hiring expensive contractors. You have everything you need in one place, allowing you to build your shed quickly and efficiently. By using materials and tools you already own or purchasing them at a low cost from local suppliers, you can significantly cut down on expenses. Variety and flexibility. With over 12,000 plans and projects, My Shed Plans offers a wide array of options. Whether you need a small garden shed or a large barn, a traditional design or a modern look, you'll find it here. The plans are also customizable, allowing you to adjust the size, shape, color, or design to fit your specific needs and preferences. You can even mix and match elements from different plans to create a unique shed. Skill and knowledge development. My Shed Plans is not just about building a shed, it's also an educational resource. You'll learn how to use various tools, work with different materials, and master woodworking techniques. From making joints and frames to installing doors and windows, the detailed instructions ensure you gain valuable skills. The Woodworking Course further deepens your understanding, covering everything from basics to advanced woodworking techniques. Satisfaction and pride. Building your own shed is a rewarding experience. With My Shed Plans, you get to create something functional and beautiful with your own hands. The sense of accomplishment and pride you'll feel when you complete your shed is unmatched. Plus, you can impress friends and family with your craftsmanship. Features and benefits in detail. Easy to follow instructions. The plans are designed to be user-friendly, with step-by-step instructions, complete materials lists, and clear diagrams. Even first-time builders can follow along. No prior experience is necessary. The guide walks you through every stage of the process. Complete materials list. Each plan includes a comprehensive materials list, ensuring you know exactly what you need before you start. This prevents wasted trips to the store and reduces the risk of buying incorrect or unnecessary materials, saving you both time and money. Detailed plans and drawings. The plans provide detailed views from all angles and include 3D CAD designed images. This allows you to visualize your shed fully before you begin construction, helping you avoid mistakes and make informed decisions about any modifications. Vast catalog of designs. From classic to modern, the catalog offers a diverse range of designs. Whether you want a gable roof, gambrel roof, hip roof, or something else, you'll find a design that suits your style. Each plan comes with step-by-step photos and clear instructions, ensuring you can bring your vision to life. Product quality. Written by Ryan Henderson, a professional craftsman with years of experience, the plans are thorough and reliable. Every detail is covered, from the initial design to the finishing touches, ensuring you can build a high-quality shed. Click the link below for further details and information.